All right, I just bought this car. It's a Ford Focus 2000, so it's 22 years old. And let's see if we can make a profit with this. So I bought it just for $1,000. I'm going to show you the flaws of this car. I mean, the engine runs fine. The brakes, the rear brakes are so. But other than that, it's in almost decent shape. So I'm going to show you everything that needs to be done. And if you want to participate, maybe in doing something like that, just contact me and then I'll show you. So here, as you can see, we have the car. I mean, aesthetics is kind of decent. The doors works. Nothing is very bad. Here is a little bit dirty inside. They broke the windshield, but the guy told me that he put a new one. So that is why you see all the glasses over there. Here is fine. The mirror on the other side is bad, but I'm going to show you the inside. At least here, as you can see, the seats are kind of decent. Maybe a small hole. It can be an easy fix here. The panel, the stereo, it's a nice stereo. It has trash everywhere, so I have to clean that up. And as you can see, the headliner is good, and it has a small dent here that I can fix later. So this is a little bit loose, and that will be an easy fix. And I'm going to buy the tools so that way I can pull that out. And other than that, here on the other side seems to be decent. I mean, the car runs just fine. And here the mirror is damaged. So here we have $25. I just bought it. I'm waiting for this. I'm going to replace it. As you can see, it's all broken already. So like I showed you before. And here in the front, it has a big dent here. And another big dent here. So the car is, like I said before, it seems to be in decent shape. Other than those issues, but I bought it, purposely. So let's see if we can flip it for 2,000 or 3,000. Let's see how much I can sell it. So the engine doesn't look that bad. I checked the oil and everything. So that's it for now. So I'm going to be replacing the tires. I bought the tires already, as you can see here. And then I'm going to put them in and replace the brakes, fix this, fix the mirror. Hopefully, once it's done, I'll clean it up inside and I'll see how much I can sell it. So this is my baby. So here, this one is my Gabak workhorse, and so that way I can go to my customers easily. This is the new project. So if you have any questions, please let me know, and see you in the next video.